Hey guys, what's up? Hi Sky.
Hi guys, it's your boy Sky Cobras.
So it's your first time pala sa channel ko, no?
Oh,
yeah.
It's my first time with you.
How do you feel? How do you feel? How do you feel?
Actually, I've been featured na dati yung...
sa vlog,
yeah.
sa Binil.
Pero cameo lang ako.
Parang 5 seconds ka.
Ngayon, legit supporting role na ako. Baka may misconception nga pala, Jay. Sa tingin, baka feel ko ito yung mga question. Sa tingin ba nila, araw-araw, ganito buhay natin, na nagfi-film tayo araw-araw? Ito, sa tingin, like everyday may dala tayong camera, may dala tayong lighting and everything.
As of this moment, yes. Kasi it's our finals week. So we have to like film everything kasi may mga projects kami na short film. So yeah. Pero
halos lahat ng subject gusto film magawa sa atin.
Kasi actually wala pa kaming subject na film related. So puro pa kami mga minors like Bible, science, NSTP, ano ba ba? Heyon. So wala pang wala pang film related. So lahat ng mga projects namin. Lahat ng mga projects namin short film. So okay na rin. So
kasi alam nila na film students kami. So ang gusto nila pagawa na output is a film. Kasi pero kung kunyari music production kami, pagagawa nila kami ng kanta or something like that. Or kung architect kami, pagagawa kami ng building na mukhang simbahan sa Bible Church.
And our professor knows na it's our passion. So
yeah.
Yes. Buti na lang.
So really, they're not making us work na nga. You know what they say naman, diba? It's as long as you do what you do. You're doing what you love. If you love what you're doing, you'll never work a day in your life.
Pero it's kinda ganun na rin. Parang we feel like working na rin kasi sa sobrang daming
tinambak
Yeah, pero
apat na subject halos tinambak.
It's part of being a college student, I guess.
Yeah, but this is only the beginning, G. This first year pa lang.
And yes, we're going to Sky. Actually, nandito kami sa cafeteria ng aming school because we filmed something for our short film. I'm not sure kung i-upload ko ba sa channel ko yung film natin. What do you guys think? Upload ko ba? Baka gusto nila makita yung short film eh. What do you guys think?
Baka makita ng mama na nagmumura ka.
Okay lang yun. It's for the film, mom.
Yeah, sure.
So, stay tuned.
Stay tuned.
Mga 2 weeks from now.
Pero sige, I might upload it next week. Pero, I don't know. Tara na? Let's go. But guys, if you want to watch our short film na ginawa ng vlog namin, you guys can check out Cinemulan on Facebook. Yeah, paki-like na rin guys. Support films na gawa ng mga classmates ko. Awesome. If you guys want to watch my previous short film video, it was uploaded in my channel then. You guys can check it out or I'll put it right here. Actually guys, tapos na yung class namin. Actually, nag-finals lang kami. And we went here to the cafeteria para mag-film para sa isang final project, which is ito nga yung short film na to na film namin. Ang dilim. What the heck? Dapat ganito ako mag-vlog. Dapat nakatalikod kasi dilim. So we're going to Sky's place pala. Kasi doon naman yung next setting ng aming short film. So stay tuned guys. At ang dilim talaga. So dapat ganito. Same pa rin eh.
Dito. Hindi. Other side. Yun na.
Elevator music.
Elevator. So we're just waiting for his manong driver. And pupunta kami sa...
Say that, bro.
Yeah, cause why not?
I just wanna say, this is the first part of the vlog.
Huh? Oh, syempre.
I just wanna say, the mga subscribers ni Jace, you might have heard of this little small girl group named Momo na, you know, just give it a try, you know, just give it a try.
Sige nga, Sky, dance ka dun.
Bawal.
Pwede yan, dali. Pwede yan. O kaya dito na lang, o dyan na lang. Go, 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 go.
Papawisin na naman to, init-init na eh.
Ayun na yung car, yehey. So, what's up guys? So, nandito na kami sa House Sky. Technically, it's a condo. So, yes, yun na rin yun. If you guys are gonna ask me kung saan to, I'm in Mandaluyong, guys. So, di ko pwede sabihin kung saan. Kasi, dude, privacy. May court pala sa ilalim, no? Also,
ano kayo join nito pag sa gabi?
Huh? The city lights. So basically that's Makati? No, it's not. Oh yeah, I think that's Makati. I think. Ayun yung Guadalupe Bridge and yung MRT station and ano kaya yan? BGC? I think. Daming Momolanda. Daming Momolanda. May Panansi Shrine ka.
Oh. It's a reminder on why we should work hard.
Why we get bread, you know?
Give me to me, na 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 na, love me. Dami mo ng action figures, ah.
Yeah, I love toys, guys. I love toys. So, sa mga friends ni Jace dyan, toys? Saludo. I play with plastic, not people. Savage.
Sky, is this yours?
Huh?
Is this yours?
Got a problem about that, bro?
Yeah, wala lang. Sky, why do you have Elsa and Anna?
In the words of Jace, why not? Pero specifically kasi, if you guys check my YouTube naman, malalaman nyo, first video ko na sobrang random pa na paggawa was a Frozen video. I'm a big Frozen fan.
So guys, we're going to film now. Yes, back to business. Okay, action!
Okay.
Hindi lang, yung nagkakaroon ka.
Pamusta yung galaw natin.
Oh! Ako nga, no? I like it. Parang ma-feel ng audience.
I like it. Galing ng camera movements.
Kita to yung
Kata na. Susunod. Lantern.
Rolling. Action. So we're going outside naman for the next scene. I mean, for the last scene, technically. Ang ginagawa mo?
Wala lang, Momoland.
Okay, lalabas muna kami. Ang kit-kit naman ni Sky. Oh, there's a gym pala. Sky, hey! Diyan ka nag-gym?
Hindi. Anytime. Dati dyan, that's the OG.
Bakit hindi dyan? Mas malapit eh.
Nagsasara yan 10 o'clock. Pagka-uwi ko, mga 9:30 na.
Makes sense.
That's why I go to Anytime Fitness, where you can gym anytime, anywhere.
Na-promote yung gym na
Okay.
yun. Ding ding! Your music is way too loud. You can hear it from here.
Weh?
Oo. Ang lakas gagi mabibigyan. So guys, in case you're gonna ask me, Kuya Jace, para saan yung project na pinifilm nyo? We have to like create a short film na dapat yung mga lessons namin sa Conworld dapat makita dun sa short film. And maximum is 7 minutes. Yeah, 7 minutes. So sana abutin siya ng 7 minutes because it's our final project. So guys, please wish us luck kasi this is our key to success. Wait, is it a wrap? Is it a wrap na? Yep. It's a wrap! It's a wrap! It's a wrap! It's a wrap! Must a wrap! Yeah! Ikaw muna mag-take over ng vlog.
Okay. It's a breezy day. It's a beautiful weather we have today. Alam niyo yung gloomy, yun yung word gloomy. Yung parang nagmo-moisten. Kumbaga, parang yung buong mundo isang salamin. Tapos pag naramdaman niyo tong climate na to, what's the word? Magmo-moisten mo. Parang ganyan, parang ganun. Yan yung ano nyo, yan yung Kuya Jace nyo. Hindi lang siya multitasker, multi-talented rin. Hindi lang siya videographer, also photographer. Yan. Tapos dito yung part siguro ng vlog na magpe-play siya ng chill music na ting 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 ting. Okay, this is what they don't show you dun sa mga glitzy, glamorous shots. It's the sweat, tears that comes with it, that comes for just that one shot. That one, yung tipong page that took you a minute to appreciate. It took photographers hours just to take, alright? So shout outs to all the photographers in the world, photographers who do it for a living and everything. You know, grabe. The work they put in for just about, what, 3 seconds of your attention. Kasi diba you're just flicking the pages. Each one of those pages that made the final cut.
What are you saying?
Wala, bigla ako na pa-heart to heart sa mga photographers. Sabi ko.
Tayo mo nga dito sa ano.
Oh, sige, peram doon ng camera.
You just get our stuff or something out.
Kala ko mag-dub tayo.
Nga pala no, sige. May voice over si Joaquin.
Oh yeah, Joaquin's our groupmate din pala. So wala siya right now kasi he's in Alabang. Kanta ka buwan, dali. Sa ilalim ng puting ilaw. Such a tenga, Lord. Damn. Hello guys, so yeah, never mind. Dito balik ulit kami sa elevator, bababa ulit kami kasi pupunta kami ng isang K-pop store. So, let's go. Yes, may kasama tayong vlogger, yes. Vlogger, Sky Covers.
Actually, this is the first vlog siguro na pumunta sa channel ko. Most of them are just reaction videos.
Yeah, pero subscribe kayo sa kanya guys, Sky Cobras.
Why?
Subscribe kayo guys. I'll put the link down there because why not, diba?
I post somewhat weekly.
Ilang beses ka na nag-vlog?
Ha?
Ilang beses ka na nag-vlog?
Pag ilang beses na ako. I think this is third pa lang. Third.
Okay. Ano ba goal mo? Ilan?
Ha?
Ilan ba goal mo?
Na vlogs?
Yeah.
Or, ano?
Yeah. Sa vlog na to.
Third.
Third?
3.
Okay, sure.
Here's my goal.
I really want to see you vlog in person.
Hey, what's up guys? It's your boy Sky Cobras again. Today.
Ganito ako minsan pag nagva-vlog. Like, nakagan...
Sakto nung layo nga sa'yo. Saan sobrang lapit eh.
Yeah, you really have to extend your hand. At saka dati yan nakaganyan para ma-elongate siya. Right? Yan. Tips for vlogging.
Thank you.
Oh man. There's a lot of merchandise. So yes guys, napabili po tayo ng Lisa poster. So ayan po.
Since kumuha ka ng set ng
Hala! Totoo po ba? Hala!
poster.
Ay! Hala! Oh my god! Sige po. Ito lang po.
Okay.
Thank you po! Thank you po! Thank you po! Damn man, I'm the happiest fanboy alive. So guys, hindi ko pa pala nasasabi na I'm a fan of Blackpink. I'm a Blink, friends. You know kasi, sobrang natatakot ako mag-fanboy kasi unang-una, sobrang gastos. And pangalawa, sobrang gastos. And pangatlo, maubos pera ko. So, and personally, I didn't even expect na maging fan ako ng isang Korean group. Like, wow. That's a plot twist of my 2018. In-influensyahan ako ni Pat Teodoro. Hoy Pat. And itong lalaking ito, in-influensyahan ako. You guys are so mean. Kaya may gusto po kayong sabihin. Gusto nyo pa i-plug tong store na to.
Come visit us at K-Pop Fandom Shop. It's along Bonnie, Mandaluyong in front of RTU near Jollibee Halcon.
Ayan.
Over 101 K-Pop merch to choose from. See you!
Yan. Thank you po. I'll put the links of their Instagram or their social media sites below na rin guys. So,
Dahil dumalo ka dito sa K-Pop Fandom Shop,
ano po?
ito ang
Hala, oh my god! Thank you po so much. Thank you. Thank you po so much. Uwi na kami guys. So, thank you so much Sky. Thank you guys so much sa...
Uy! Dito na ako.
So yes, I'll see you guys next week. Go, may sabihin ka ba?
Support film. Support local films.
So yeah, abangan yung short film namin guys. I'll post it siguro this week. Depends. Pero okay, that's it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you guys next week.